YEMI SOLADE responds to troll over romantic video with colleague Apankufo. Veteran Nollywood actor YEMI SOLADE has made headlines after a loved-up video of him and fellow actor Apankufo surfaced online, sparking mixed reactions. The video, shared on Apankufo's social media, showed the two actors in a playful and affectionate moment, leaving fans speculating about their relationship. While many fans expressed admiration and praised the duo's chemistry, a troll took to the comment section to criticize SOLADE, accusing him of inappropriate behavior. The troll wrote, "At your age, this is what you're doing. Aren't you supposed to be setting better examples?" In response, YEMI SOLADE did not hold back. The seasoned actor fired back, stating, "At my age, I'm living my truth, embracing joy, and working with talented colleagues. Your bitterness won't dim my light. Focus on your own life." Fans quickly rallied behind SOLADE, applauding his clapback and emphasizing the importance of spreading positivity instead of trolling. Apankufo also weighed in, thanking fans for their support and clarifying that the video was a behind-the-scenes moment during the filming of their upcoming project. This incident has reignited conversations about the scrutiny celebrities face online and the need for kindness in social media interactions. Both SOLADE and Apankufo remain unbothered as they continue to focus on their craft and the release of their latest work. Stay tuned for updates on their project.